The hare was making fun of the tortoise for moving so slowly.
Do you ever reach your destination?
The hare asked with a mocking laugh. Yes, replied the tortoise. And I get there quicker than you would. The hare, amused at this brazen claim, jeered back at the tortoise.
Prove it! Race me now for all the forest to see.
The tortoise accepted the hare's challenge, and with this, the forest animals marked the distance of the race and anxiously waited the signal. Ready, set, go! The hare quickly jumped far out of sight, while the tortoise forged ahead at a lumbering pace. Seeing the great distance that he had pulled ahead and wanting to humiliate the tortoise, the hare lay down beside a tree to nap until the tortoise should catch up. Meanwhile, the tortoise steadily maneuvered the course at a sluggish pace. After quite some time, the tortoise passed the place where the hare was sleeping, but the hare did not wake up. When the hare finally arose, he found that the tortoise was nearing the finish line. The hare, now fearful of losing the race, ran his swiftest to catch up to the tortoise. But in his slumber, he had fallen too far behind, and the tortoise crossed the finish line first. Patience and determination win over arrogance